Right. So today we will start with today's task, Advent of Code. So let's see what we have to do today. Advent of Code day 19. Okay, let's see. Today the historians take you up to the hot springs on Gear Island. Very suspiciously, absolutely nothing goes wrong as they begin their careful. First, hello 2XP. Hello. How are you doing? With the reception stuff at the onsen front desk, you discover that you don't have the right kind of money to pay the admission fee. However, before you can leave, the staff get your attention. Apparently, they've heard about how you helped at the hot springs and they are willing to make a deal. You can simply help them arrange their towels. I'm good. Spend my entire day just game deving and gaming. Vacation is so nice. Nice. You mean day, right? Did you was streaming also? Because I didn't see. I don't got notification. No streaming today, just chilling. Game deving without streaming. Wow. Okay, let's see what we need to do. Every tower in this onset is marked with a pattern of colored stripes. There are only a few patterns, but for any particular pattern, the staff can get you as many towels with that pattern as you need. Each stripe can be white, blue, black, red, or green. So a towel with the pattern GGR would have a green stripe, and then a red stripe in that order. Yeah. I'm trying to learn some new stuff, so I prefer do that in peace. Alright, okay, I understand that sometimes. And sometimes it's easier to find a solution in this way. Did you plan to join a why I always forgot this word? Game jam. Game jam? This in your vacation? The official onsen branding expert produced a list of designs, each a long sequence of stripe colors they would like to be able to display. You can use any towels you want, but all of the towel stripes must exactly match the desired design. No game jams planned. Alright. So to display the design RGRGR, you could use two RG towels and then an R towel, an RGR towel and then a GR towel, or even a single massive RGRGR towel. What is that? Assuming such towel patterns were actually available. To start, collect together all of the available towel patterns and the list of desired designs. Your puzzle input, for example. The first line indicates available towel patterns. In this example, the onsen has unlimited towels with a single red stripe. Unlimited towels with a white stripe, and then a red stripe with white stripes. Alright. And then, and so on after the blank line. Wait. Red, white, and red. Black. After the blank line, the remaining lines each describes a design the onsen would like to be able to display. In this example, the first design, BRWRR, indicates that the onsen would like to be able to display a black stripe, a red stripe, a white stripe, and then two red stripes. Okay, gonna luck, need to make dinner and so on. Good luck and enjoy your dinner. And thanks for the luck. Not all designs will be possible with the available towels. In the above examples, the designs are possible or impossible as follows. Can be made with BR towel, then WR towel, and then finally an R towel. BGGR can be made, is impossible. Umpu, yes, can be made with BRG, can be made with BRG. Okay, and so on. In this example, 6 of the 8 designs are possible with the available towel patterns. To get into the onsen, as soon as possible, consult your list of towel patterns and decide designs carefully. Why it seems easy? Is that easy? Let me check the input. Oh. Uh-huh. So what is my idea on this one? My idea for this one is that I sort this line by length. So this one first, then there's 2 lines, and then the 1 line. And then this still could have problems. I mean, the input seems like that one of this one is made out of million towels. Just one. And okay, I mean, first I got this input, right? Variable available towels. Wanted towels. Right. Funk ready. sort data. So first of all, this one will be an array. Is available tiles.split. Delimiter is this one. Sorted AV tiles. Start. That's the wrong one. Well, I need to go just this one. Okay, seems to be alright. Now my next idea. The next idea is we need to sort this data. Actually, we need to do it in a similar way. Sorted, wanted tiles. And there we just \n. See? Alright, seems to be alright. So I think the most of this one is just math. I want to sort them in the length. But I wonder if this makes sense, because when it's, for example, when I just check for the longer one first, if they are be contained inside one of this towel, for example, BRWRR. When I check first for BR and for R and then for WR and then for R, rather than the other way around, then I think it's a better way to check if it's possible to make them than when I just have the random lengths. Search help, sort custom. Need to get two array elements as arguments. Okay. We just say if A is bigger than B, no, smaller, because we want the longest at the start. So let's see what we got. The wrong way. All right. So we sort them from long to short. This was my idea. But my problem right now is when we have, for example, let's say we have let's say we have WRB. And we just delete W and R, but then we still have B. Or we delete R and B, but then we don't have W. Then it wouldn't be seen. Because we delete RB first. We check for RB first. And 8. Okay, what else can I do? Um, yeah, what else I could do? Is that I split this one in single letters and then I check for every of this one starts with a B. And then if it has a B, then I'll check, okay, if it has also a BR. And if this is the case, then I'll check if it has a BRW. And if not, then we take the BR, finish. Then we check for a W. And if it has a W, then if it don't has a W, then we'll check if it has a WR. I mean, if it has a W, and then if it has one with W, it will have this one with W. We also need to check for RW. That's really hard. Um, ah, all right. For sorted wanted outs, we just say single splitted string equals dot. How can I split it? Hello in YouTube, welcome. How are you doing? I just try to find a way to just cut the string in single letters. This is my idea first. I mean, I could use split. Um, this is the opposite of join. Hello, Nineberry. Do you have a hint for this one? My idea actually was to go for the string of this towel, which you need at the end, and then checks for B in this array. And if it does not has a B, then this wouldn't be possible. But if it has a B, then I'll check for BG. And if it has BG, then I'll check for BGG. If it not has BGG, then I'll check for G. No, then I'll go for the next one and check if it has G, and if it has GG and GGR and so on. And then for G, I'll check this one, and yeah, for R. And then somehow I'll check if it's possible to lay. I'm not sure if it makes sense. I have no clue what could I do here. GG Anderson, correct. I have no clue where to start. For this puzzle, it is hard to give hints without giving the full solution. Alright, okay. Okay, don't worry, I'll try. Okay, what if I say I have this one and I'll delete each of them? So I start to say, okay, we already have B. We start with the big ones first. So we are iterating over this one. For letter in string. Check for but there's an unlimited supply of towels. Yes, I don't mean that we'll delete this one. My idea was to delete it from here. That we have BRWRR, for example, and then we start for searching for B. And we start with the biggest one first. Okay, we have BR. Then we'll delete BR. Then we are searching for the next W. When it has WR, even better, then we'll take this one and delete it from here, and then we'll search if we have an R, and if this is the case, then it would work. My only, the only thing what I think make it not work is when there's something like, B, VR, wait, I had something. There was some possible what would make it not work. Where only a W would be left. For example, WRB. So I'll check for W. Oh, even then it would work. Okay. We don't make it for this one. Only thing what we want to do here is for towel in sorted AV towel, we will say if string From the start or from the end? Um, Wait, I just have to go through it just once? No. Many for and while loops here. I don't like it at the moment. And this will not work for strings which will not be completely removed. So this can't be. And also this could lead. No, it can't. It could lead that there will be towels will mix together, which wasn't neighbors before. No, this won't happen. But that was not the way to do. So what's the best way for this one? For string, for letter index in if dot contains now I want to check for the first two and then for the first three and then for the first four and so on. Um for possible all in um if dot contains this one? No. If string contains possible towel. Then we say string dot I can delete something from a string. Even in the middle. What? Wait. What did they talk about replace? Alright, so we take replace. Replace with nothing. Um, true. No, bool. And here we do current string, current tower group. Hello, Coda Godot. Welcome. I think this looks not like that it should be. Um, while no, I can't work with a while loop. Because when I have a while loop and it is not possible, then it will loop forever. Ah, sorry. But what if it's containing it several times? Let's see. BRR. This is what I mean. There won't be a BRR. There's just a BRR, but because it was deleting WR from this one. So my code won't work for this one. Actually, I have no clue. Ah. What is today's challenge, bro? Today's challenge is they give you an array with patterns. You have to check if this patterns, you have unlimited amounts of each pattern. And then you have to check if it's possible to create these patterns from this one without having anything left. So for example, UBWU can't be made with this patterns because there's no W. You have BWU, this one, but you can't have U as a single pattern. So you have to find another way. I mean, so this one won't work, but BRWRR would work because there's a BR, then you have WR, and then you have R. So this one is the possible pattern, and you have to check if these are possible patterns or not. This is the task for today. Mm. Ah. all letter index in sorted and string. We say while this is false, we will while and here we say while current pattern. Wait, while current pattern. No, while sorted AV towels, available towels dot contains. We say um current pattern. How to add something to a string. Plus this one. And now returned. Hello. I still need to do your character. Let me see. Invalid access to property or key B on a base object of type string. Waiting. Soon. Oh, dot count. Oh no, dot length. There's no BRW. And there's no RW. There's no BRW. Wait. Ah. So you shouldn't update it. This should not happen. This should just happen until it is possible. But it is possible in the last row. That's why it's still adding 1. And then it checks, okay, it's not possible anymore, so we print BRW. How I could avoid the last... The last loop. I mean, I could. Do this. About that. BRWRRBGG. BRWRR. This is the first string. How can we save pattern? We have list in Python. What we have in Godot? List or enum or anything else? In Godot you have arrays or dictionaries. Arrays looks kinda like this one. Dictionaries looks like this one. And so on. I think what you are searching for is an array. Wait, we don't have BR? We have BR. Um, so we should not get printed B. We should get printed BR. Um, I think we should save patterns as array instead of strings. Strings are actually arrays itself, but the thing is, I store each pattern in an array. So for example, my arrays looks like this one. Oh wait, I can print it for you. So this is the pattern which we got as an input. And here I sorted them as an array. Here, that are strings inside an array. So each pattern is saved as a pattern in an array. So we can searching through this array or some specific data to match up data. Ah. Um. We start at 0, but we should end up with 1 and BR. And then we should end with RW. Actually, I will start to draw something. I mean, I still need to do it anyway. And I don't have a proper solution for this one. I'm still thinking how I could do it. Characters. Character texture. I'll take this one. So you want it looks like Kaito Kid. Kaito Kid. From Detective Conan. All right. Okay, I'll do the left view first. And he wears glasses, right? He wears a monocle. Glasses? Monocle? How to say it in English? I have no clue. Glass? Monoglass? And the cylinder. I cannot make it high like his one, because it would not match with the height of this one. We can check each index of saved array if it matches with first letter of given word, then we check next letter of word. Yeah, that was my idea. What I was planning to do. But I didn't make it run properly yet. Okay, well, this looks not balanced. And this has like a blue band here. How about this? Use this one. Okay, this head looks horrible. Very not balanced. What is the most suitable to use array or enum? I mean, arrays and enums are different things to use. Enums is more like a check or check a status. For example, you have like a player and you want to check if this player character is like moving right now or running or fishing or whatever. For that you use enums. Arrays you use to store somehow the best cases the same. You store like datas. Wait, are you making sprite? Yes, I'm doing a sprite for Twitch viewer because in Twitch the people can have like a walking character on the screen like this one. And that's what I'm doing right now. And it's a customized sprite for them. People who have a specific amount of points, they can got a customized character. In YouTube, I'm not sure how to implement this to YouTube. Like this one. Black hair. There's no black. So, black hair, and did you have long hair in front? Yes. This one we'll do more like the dark gray. For now, I'm going to publish a darker gray. This one we'll do a dark blue. This is not the final version yet. So this one will be the top. Actually, this part is way smaller, to be honest. Alright, alright. When you do something diagonal in Pixelart, it makes it way harder. So we have this hat. Don't look at him. You don't wear clothes yet. Right. This one. This one, and we have like a bluish, light bluish tone here. But I can't open it. Alright, and white pants. Also white shoes. Actually, everything is white on him. But he has this monocle thing. Is it also white? It's like silver. It's connected somewhere here with something green. Wait, it's 1 pixel. This should be enough. Alright. I think this is fine, but he has blue eyes. We'll just put a bit of shadow. Always like to work with 3 tones. Somehow I don't like this blue tone. I like this way better. Alright. Thanks for explanation. You're welcome. Alright, so we have this one. Actually, he always have his hands in his pockets. I'm thinking to do this also. But how to do it? This way? And he will not walk like this. He will probably have the legs like this one. But he have his hands in his pockets. Is making sprite also part of the challenge? No, of course not. It's not part of the challenge. This is just something for the viewer. This is just something what I'm doing for the viewer. Actually, here the exact same thing. Copy, paste. And we do this one. I see. All right. Okay, now we just need to do the front view. Oh, we forgot his hair and his head for this sprite. All right, and the front view. Oh, I forgot. The head I have to do separately. Characters. I need the correct name here. All right. Oh, wait. Actually, we need to delete the hair from here. The hair I have to do separately. And actually, we can make the head a bit bigger. And we just do the front view, which is actually simple. And he has an open jacket. Kinda this way. Also here we have to think about that he has his hands in his pockets. So that we make it a bit smaller at the bottom. Alright, open jacket. And the knot. More likely. Just go for delete. This part. Just create him full hair. I have actually no clue how he looks like without hair. Without a hat. Very similar to Ash. Like this, a bit wild hairs. Let's do it this way. Now he got his purple hair back, now looks young. Yeah, before he looks a bit aged. Before. I think I'll go for this one. I think this is fine. Alright. But most likely you will see only a front view of him. Here he always have like this kind of hair. A bit wild hair. It looks not like wild hair here, to be honest. Um, Um, I'll start with the midtones and then create the shadow. I think this is a bit easier this way around. And this is fine. I mean, we still need to hide it with the hat, so I think it's fine. But here it looks a bit too kind. Should be a bit more edgy. Something like this one, maybe. All right. Maybe here also a bit. Okay, let's keep drawing the suit, which is very simple. White color with white color and white color. It's nothing special here except in this jacket. Or something like this one. When it's open, then it looks like... Maybe I should draw it white that it can see a bit easier. Just like this one. Also add another pixel here. Then you have this pink tone. And this is blue tone. And you have this thing on the left eye. On the right eye, sorry. I call it thing because I do not know how to call this one in English. Actually, it has to be bigger, right? Otherwise, it looks not cool. Okay. And he have this one big knob here to keep the jacket together. Here, does it make sense to wait? Actually, it's a bit darker here. This one is actually also shining like silver. So we have to make it bigger here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and here. The eye is like this, and this one has to be this then. Wait, no. This one. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'll make it bigger. I think I'll keep it 2 by 2. Then he looks a bit more serious. And here we need a bit of shadow underneath the hair. All right. This one. All right. And now the hat for here. Actually, I think I have to delete a bit of hair, but we'll see. This one. And he always wears his hat. Well, wrong layer. Great. This way. And also we'll make this one even a bit longer. And in the original also got bigger to the top, but not too much. We'll see. It shouldn't be too big too, but it's actually very big. Maybe this way? I think this is fine. I think this one is not round enough. From here until here, then this one, and then two. All right. But still not round enough. This looks not good. It has to be way flatter. I mean, it's just a little bit. I think this way. He has something on his head except this one? No. No default palette. Alright. I have to delete a few here. Right. This is just for there's like a happy animation. That's why I need to do it this way. So this sprite we're gonna save in characters. Kit. All right. All right. Let's go to stream overlay. This one. And here in shirt type, we have to put this one. Then in hair type, this one, pants also not visible. Shoe not visible. This one. Doesn't matter. But hat type, you have to put this one. And then I have to rewrite the code. Alright, still the wrong hat, but I have to rewrite the code. Well, this code I was writing like a month ago, 2 months ago. So every overlay data such as sprites. Join chatter. Preload instantiate. and chatter. If text badges has moderator, then we will show the head. Table gone, you are floating in the air. Oh, sorry. Yes, this is something what I also need to repair. I don't want that this is just visible. I think this is just a OBS thing that when I minimize the window, which I display on top of the stream, that it will be minimizing in OBS. Because, I mean, for this one, it's working. Can minimize it and it's working. Table gone. No, we don't want to preload this one. If not head type, then we, if it not, equals or invalid parameter. Okay, I have to refresh it. Sorry, you are all away right now. I mean, I still have a lot to fix here. If you want to appear on the screen again, then just write something in the chat again. I'm sorry. You just can't updating sometimes. Refresh the screen with control. Thanks for following in YouTube. 450 now. Thank you very much. Just 50 more to go. It's 500. Thank you very much. Okay, let's get back to today's puzzle. Um, um, Doesn't make sense. How to do it? So I want to check if this specific string is inside. I mean, this is somehow doing it, but just a bit too much. I mean, one letter too much. And even W. There's no W here. Index 4 and base object of type string. Smaller than length. Smaller than BR WR. Wait, B is true, R is true, WR is true, RR. But the count is somehow weird. No, the count is alright. It's the current position. But it should see that we have BR. Why it doesn't see that we have BR? Hmm. Alright, you don't have a hat. Why you don't have a hat? Why there's no hat here? Wait, there was a hat. When moving to the right. Okay, can you write something again in a second? Now? Wait. Now? Can you... Can you write something again? I hope it's working now. If you write something, can you do the shear afterwards? The GG. Okay, what is a possible way to do so? Okay, it seems to work. And can you do like a GG celebrate for coins? Celebrate? Then the head should be jumping from the hair, from the head. Oh, there's a bug with the hands. This one, character. How I could do it. How I did it for Rubik's. Actually, he's big enough that he will be hidden behind. This one is smaller. Alright, is this still there? Huh? Why the arm still there? He has double arms. I just thought it's not visible anymore. Well, I do not know why I can't hiding it. It is eyes. Okay, so I have to hide eyes and body. So we make character data and we say custom character bool equals false at default. We say when custom character bool is true, then we want to hide eyes and body. this one, and this one. This way. On why has Super Mario? Sorry. There shouldn't be a Kaito kid with a Super Mario on the shirt. Okay, now I want to see how the celebration works with this hat. How it looks like. Actually, this hat is still a bit too small for this hair. I see now. Here's 1 pixel too much. Here's 3. And here are also 3 pixels too much. So actually this pixels too much. Also here. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. This one. And now for left and right. Wait with this celebration, right? I just correct a bit. Right, just 3 pixels. There are just 3 pixels actually, and I think it's this one. Sorry. Okay, you just got kicked out from the screen again, but you can rejoin again. Alright. Advent of code. Not sure if I'll be able to solve it today. Spent almost an hour for this sprite. BW. We should actually got BR. Now we got BRW and RW. Both are not existing. So this should not happen. Um, music bugged? Um, you don't hear the music? Oh well. What is that? Um, just a second, I'll just fix it. What's happening today? Like it's lagging. Yeah, I saw it. Um, I mean, I hear it. It's still the same. What's happening here? I mean, my streaming frequency is stable, but why? Alright, I think now it should be fine. I hope everything is fine now. Yup, fine. That was weird. I'm not sure if it was because of this song. And hello, Cupix. Welcome. Right, now celebrate once. And that's the thing, I have to fix your shadows on this character. Okay, so subscribers can have custom hats now. Great. But I just need to see the celebration here. If it's working properly with this one. I mean, it should, as it just replaced the texture. Okay, the shadow's still weird. Shadow. Is this Kaito Kid? Yes! Wow! That means I'm doing it well. I mean, at least okay, that you can see who it is. Okay, next stream the shadow should be fine. But Kaito Kid should celebrate now because I want to see if the head is hopping. Like this one. I want to know if Kaito Kid is doing the same with the head. All right. It went off code again. Yes, he's doing it. Great. Oh, yeah, that's true. That's true. I forgot something for Kaito Kid. I forgot something very important for Kaito Kid. Continues. Forgot the cape. Well. Is this goes over his shoulder? Yeah, kind of. Alright. Alright. Hmm. Yeah. We just saw. Oh. The animation, there was a bit of hair too much. Just like 1 pixel. I don't see it. Well, save it and start the screen again, and hopefully last time for today, because I always shut it on, shut it off. So I think the cape is there now, and I think it's fine. Alright, but now, Advent of Code. For the 10th time today. Nope. We can't have BRW. What could I do? Should be just BR. Can't be that hard. Hmm. Smaller than dot size. All the time I do the same mistake with length and size. Still BRW. BRRWR? Alright. This is something what we can work with. Okay, but WR is existing. So we have BRWR, but we have BRRWR. This is not what we want. Um, um, string dot. No, this won't work. Now you have a cape. And the shadows, right? The only thing what is not right is that the glass is mirrored. This is something what has to be fine because I can draw just one side of the walk animation. Next to on a base object of type string. Um, BR will be WRR, then it will be R, then it will be nothing. I wonder how it can do it for every. So how many times it's doing it? It always finds a solution to delete all? No, it shouldn't be possible. Wait. Yeah, what's happening? Oh, now? So let's check it. BRWRR is fine. Which one should not be fine? UBWB. Upfu. How? Okay, it's always deleting one. That's a problem. Um, it's UBVW. It's still deleting U. Wait. Let me see what is current pattern. It's multiple times U. Okay, even that will delete it. Huh? Index 1 on base object of type string. Um, why this string is just W? Um, for pattern in available towels, we say if pattern dot contains starts with, it is start with, begins with. All right. Wait. Um, it's not printing anything. Where's the U? U, B, W. It's still deleting it. Because of this one. Um, ah, It shouldn't have you. It shouldn't have you here. This one has valid index 3 on Uwu. There shouldn't be this string here. Or there could be this. The only way this happens is that it was deleting B. Rather than replace, we will take um, 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 um. Trim prefix. I can't click that fast. It's always B. Yeah, this is so scuffed code. Who are impossible? Yeah, I have 3 are impossible. So the last one is impossible for me because of there's a W left. Huh? Okay, this is fine and this is fine, but why this is impossible for me? What is left? W BW. Okay, why it's not waiting until the BWU? BBRRGGWU. But it doesn't got BWRRG. BBWURRGG. Huh. It's always just one letter. Hmm. Um, we never came until here. Oh, yeah, of course we don't come. Because BW doesn't exist here. Into string. Huh? If it has BW, should add the next one. Hmm? Why it's not working? BU. Ah. Current pattern equals this one plus 1. Prints it just once? In a while loop? Well, it's printing it just once. Um, current string, current count. Current pattern. Why it doesn't stop at B, W, U? Um, this pattern contains only when current patterns contain. And if this is the case, well, this doesn't make sense. Alright, now it's directly false. Okay. But there's clearly one which begins with. Oh, wrong. Only when it has. Um, so this should be possible. Yes, it is. Alright. Now we should just have two which are not possible. Alright. Looks good. I do one try. Result is an int equals 0. If so, let's see. Should have 6. Alright. So let's try it with a bit larger datas. $15? Way too small, right? Why is double GWRB? Nothing. All right. Okay, actually, this is not working for me, so I think I failed today. All right. Still, thanks to everyone who was watching. Thank you very much. It was a lot of fun today. I hopefully see you tomorrow again. It will be the right same time like today. If you want to support me and my game, what I'm creating, you can already wishlist it on stream. It will help me, it will help the game. And yes, I wish you have a great day, night, evening, or whatever time it is where you are right now, and take care, everyone.